Hi guys, and welcome back to our channel. My name is Janine.
I'm Niley.
Ayun, so for today's vlog, magkakaroon pa rin tayo ng reaction for the full performance during the press presentation of Miss World Philippines 2024. This time we have Rihanna Pangindian from Capitolio, Pasig City. So without any further ado, let's watch this.
Hello everyone, my name is Rihanna Agatha Pangindian.
Ay, wow.
The food haven in the metro, Capitolio, Pasig.
Wow. Parang yung yung the way niya, si Nicole Cordelis yung nakikita ko the way siya
magsalita.
Parang may ganun ng dating.
Capitolio, Pasig City, we have Rihanna Agatha Pangindian.
Oh, diba?
Ganda. Ganda ng confidence niya.
I like the styling, yung gown.
You were first princess in 2021. I'd like to know, why are you back and what makes the Miss World Philippines organization worth coming back to?
First of all, I mentioned this in one of my interviews, also in the recent TV guesting that we had. I came back here in Miss World Philippines because I feel like this is really the pageant that is for me. My heart is really for the people, and I see that Miss World or Miss World Philippines is all about that. And as the first princess at that time, I discovered my potential even more, and I was able to realize what my purpose is, and that is to really empower the youth through mentorship. And I'm just excited to showcase more of who I am to the world. And this time I know who I am, I know what I want, and I am relentless in pursuing my dreams and representing the Philippines on the world stage. Thank you.
Good answer naman siya. Pero parang kung ako lang to parang pag pinapanood ko siya, parang habang nakikinig ako, parang may nakita ako ng kabado, parang ganon. Pero I don't think na it's a full kaba. Minsan kasi pag yung gigil na gigil ka into something that you do, parang may kaba dun sa the way ka magsalita. Pero I think she came prepared naman. Gusto ko yung kanyang gown. And then, yeah, yung kanyang styling, papunta na talaga siya. Konting polish lang siguro. Papunta na siya sa pagka Nicole Cordoves, and ang ganda rin ng katawan niya, and I think makakakuha din siguro to ng crown pag magnanakaw siya.
Ay, grabe siya. Sa akin I love yung sound ng voice niya, how she modulates, ganyan, tone of voice, and kung paano din siya mag-construct actually ng yung sagot niya. Siguro ang nakikita mo lang na parang medyo gigil siya. Sa akin kasi, maganda yung smile niya. Though pag nagsasalita siya and smiling, parang gigil siya. So parang siguro at some point, kung ma-workout yun, na mas graceful pa yung pagsagot, I think meron talaga siyang malaking chance na manalo.
Kumbaga mas magiging impactful kung ano yung mga sinasabi niya. Mas magiging mas believable kung ano yung mga sinasabi niya when it comes to Q&A or siguro sa media and all that. Pero malakas din ang kanyang potential, of course, to be able to, get a crown. So guys, and thank you so much. At sinamahan nyo kami sa nagdaang video. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If bago kayo sa ating channel, don't forget to subscribe. Hit that notification bell para updated kayo sa ating mga next uploads.
Thank you so much guys for watching our videos. We have a lot of videos done and we have a lot of videos coming. So keep watching us. See you in the next video. Bye!